Hello everyone, a very wonderful good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, whenever you are watching this video. First of all, I would like to thank you for being with Vairagi Entertainment family. You are very precious for us. Today I am here with a wonderful story titled as Mysterious Lady. So let's start. I wanted to help her when she waved her hand in front of our car. But it was midnight and due to inappropriate time, I could not do so and continued on my way. Weather was awesome. Me and my friend had planned to go Nepal as a holiday trip. I have two friends, Manoj and Ravi, and both are a software engineer in a company of Noida. We were classmates during our school studies from class 6 to 12th and we completed 12th together in 2011 and started looking for career and financial stability in life. In our society, a boy is considered a child or immature until he does not complete his higher secondary education, and if he qualifies it, he is considered a mature man now, who is enough mature to support his family as well as relatives, financially and physically. And for the girl, if she gets over that line, she is considered fit for marriage. We three also belong to the same society, where your future decisions are not yours. It is taken by your parents, triggered by your relatives. Where you cannot choose your career, interest, passion, or even the girl that you want to marry. After 12th, we guys promised each other to meet after getting settled in life, after being successful in respective fields. For parents and relatives, success was earning money and being available for their support. And for friends, it was all about spending lots of money on cars, clothes, smoking and drinking. For me, success is following passion in your life and reaching a stage in life where you feel fulfilled and satisfied. It was 10 years since I met my friends. I wanted to meet them, so I called them in Kanpur, where I live, at my home and hosted a small party. They were married till then and I was still single. One of my friends was married to the girl he loved and another had an arranged marriage. They were in Noida. They came to meet us. They came to meet me in Kanpur. We had a great time together at my place. Now they were asking me to join them to their home. I applied a 5-day leave to my work and joined them. We reached their home and had a great fun there. It was the month of July, basically a rainy season, and it was raining a lot since I reached their home and we could not even go out anywhere due to heavy rainfall. But we had a plan to go Nepal and we wanted to do it at any cost. Although it was raining, we decided to go. We took all the essentials like water bottles, chips, chilled beers, 2 bottle scotches, and Ravi took his cigarette packets too. We were on Gorakhpur highway. I took chilled beer and lit a cigarette and played a song, Baharon Phool Barsao Mera Mehboob Aaya Hai. Ravi was driving and Manoj and I were drinking at the back seat. Car was on a high speed and it's common, as we were on a highway, so it's a common speed. It was 50 km per hour around. There were huge black clouds in the sky as if they were looking angrily on us and saying or giving us a warning to rain heavily. It was midnight and we were on a high. While on the way, we saw a beautiful lady waving hand in front of our car from the roadside and for the lift maybe and saying help, help. She had curly hair, golden earring which was shining bright at the night, wore a yellow-red mixed sari. Overall she was looking stunning, but she had a little stress on her face. Maybe she had a problem. I told Ravi to stop the car, but he did not, saying, brother, it's midnight and it is not good to stop on highway at this time. These people are just fraudsters. Once you stop the car, they will thief all your items and they are in the groups of young, old, ladies and gents too. Manoj also agreed to the Ravi and we continued without stopping. After 2 kilometers of journey, we saw the police barricading as if accident had happened. Policemen were trying to divert the traffic through other route. We were curious to know what happened, so we parked our car at the roadside and went out to check what had happened. We reached the accident spot. We all were amazed, or you can say shocked, to say that it was the same lady that was waving us few kilometers away, and she was lying dead with her husband and daughter. We were completely shocked, and we told about the incident that had happened with us to the policemen and went out with the body to the hospital and met her family member. Now we relaxed ourselves and returned back to our work. Manoj and Ravi also went back to Noida and continued their life. Months have passed since then, but still I am unable to forget that incident. I cannot forget the impressions she stamped on my heart. I don't know what was attracting me toward her, maybe her looks, way of waving hand, or maybe that lips whispering help. She had died for all her relatives, but for me, she is still alive and asking for help. Maybe we will meet once again, and this time I will definitely help her. Thank you friends for your precious time. Kindly like, share and subscribe our channel if you really enjoyed this story. You can also put your feedback in the comment box. Vairagi Entertainment wishes you all the best in your life.